Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are comparing Ventura Securities, a full service stockbroker, with TradeSmart Online, a discount stockbroker. These comparisons are interesting because these two different kinds of stockbrokers have their own kinds of values, and then it fits back to your requirements or not. It's entirely your decision. We will be talking about company backgrounds, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage, exposure, leverage, research, accuracy, trading education in case, trading platforms performance, and some other features that can help you figure out which of these two stockbrokers, TradeSmart Online or Ventura Securities, is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So, as starting with the company backgrounds, TradeSmart Online established in the year 1994. So, it's a discount broker. Discount broking concept came into India in the year 2010. So, 1994 is actually the year when its parent company VNS Finance came into existence. TradeSmart Online is the trading arm of that particular group. Ventura Securities, on the other hand, came into existence in the year 1994 as a full-stream stockbroker. They've got 525 sub-broker and franchise offices in India. So it's a high possibility that you might find their office around your location, especially if you're living in first or second tier city. TradeSmart Online just has their headquarters in one location. Both of these stockbrokers are members of NSE, BSE and a lot of commodity exchanges of India. When it comes to account opening, almost similar. TradeSmart Online charges you 200 rupees for trading account, Ventura 150. Demat account is 200 for TradeSmart Online again, and here the charge in case of Ventura is 300. AMC is expensive for Ventura at 400 versus 300 for TradeSmart Online. So marginally, at a very small level, Ventura Securities is expensive than TradeSmart Online when it comes to account opening and maintenance charges. Then it's about brokerage. Very important, one of the most important factors rather when it comes to selecting a particular stockbroker. Ventura Securities is a full service stockbroker. They will charge you a specific percentage based on your trading capital. So in this particular case, let's say start from 0.2%. you can negotiate definitely even further down based on your trading capital. If you have, let's say, 5 lakh rupees to start your investments, then this value can go as low as 0.1%, even lower than that. It also depends on your negotiation skills. So similarly, if you talk about TradeSmart Online, they've got different plans here depending on the kind of a trader or an investor you are, what kind of taste you have, what kind of trading pattern you follow, what is your trading behavior. Based on that, they have got 3 plans. 2 of them are here, 15 rupees flat, irrespective of the kind of capital you're putting onto the stock market. You will be charged 15 rupees for every buy or every sell. Then there is a percentage based plan of 0.07%. It is around 1/3 in terms of comparison with Ventura Securities. They also have a fixed monthly plan. Let's go to our digital blogger for details on that. So again, we are using our digital blogger.com for reference here. We discussed this plan of percentage based. Then we have a flat rate plan called power plan. This is the infinity plan we are talking about. So a monthly fees of around 4,000 rupees. You can trade at unlimited level across equity segment, including future and options. And if you want to trade in currency, then 2,000 rupees. Commodity charges you another 4,000 rupees. So it's really depending on the kind of segments you are preferring, and based on that you can pick a specific subscription plan, and with that plan you can trade on an unlimited level. Any number of trades for any amount of trading capital, you will be charged this particular cap value, not beyond that. Moving ahead, if we talk about exposure or leverage, some people also call it margin. So TradeSmart Online has very high exposure of up to 30 times. Very few stockbrokers do that. Ventura Securities allows you 5 times for intraday and 2 times for delivery. In other segments, you don't really get much of a leverage here, but TSO or TradeSmart Online consistently provides you a decent exposure across segments. For people who don't know the concept, basically it's kind of a short-term loan provided by your stockbroker depending on your trading capital or trading behavior. For example, in case you have 10,000 rupees in your trading account balance, you can trade up to 3 lakh rupees with TradeSmart Online at an intraday basis. That's the power exposure. Now, if we talk about a customer service, which is a forte of full service stockbrokers, although Ventura Securities does not provide you a toll-free number, but they have communication channels including email support, live chat, phone number, and offline branches. Those 525 branches we were talking about initially. TradeSmart Online provides email support, live chat, and phone number, but obviously the quality of resolution, the kind of turnaround time a particular stockbroker takes to resolve your query is far better in case of Ventura Securities. They generally take few hours to resolve your problem and they will get back with a reasonable solution. TradeSmart Online, however, needs to work on the kind of tone they use for their clients, the kind of focus they have for them, and they obviously turnaround time needs to be improved as well. Then moving on, if we talk about research and trading products, research is a no-go area for discount brokers. They don't really provide you that. That is why they offer you low brokerage charges. Ventura Securities does provide you daily reports, recommendations, trading calls, whatever you need in terms of fundamental or technical analysis, and their accuracy is also decent enough. You can certainly trust on those values, but you must do your own research to back that up. Trading segments: equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodity. There are around 7 to 8 other trading and investment products you can use through both of these stockbrokers. One important thing needs to be mentioned here, that TradeSmart Online is one of the very rare discount brokers that allow you to trade in IPO segments. There are stockbrokers such as, let's say, Zerodha or Upstocks. They don't really have a provision to help their clients investing in IPO segments directly, but TradeSmart Online is an exception on that front. Then there are some other features here. There are few differences in terms of, let's say, market tips, margin funding, relationship manager. It's kind of an executive that is provided by a particular stockbroker that works with you, checks your portfolio, gives you advices on the future opportunities, and helps you out in the kind of money you can make with your capital and overall portfolio. These services are provided by full service stockbrokers and definitely is provided by Ventura Securities. TSO or TradeSmart Online does not do that. Now let's quickly jump to their trading platforms and start talking about the multiple avenues they have for you. So we are using Google Play Store for reference here. The app is rated at 3.5, around 440 users, and out of those around 130 are not satisfied. So it's basically around 28% a negative sort of a standpoint. 72% overall positivity is not good. It must be much better than that. When it comes to your focus from TSO, they do that. They provide you consistent focus and updates on their mobile app. The last one was seen on 29th of April 2017. We are recording this video on first week of May, so definitely the turnaround time is decent here. But there are concerns around the watch list feature. It's difficult to use. There are login issues at times as well. Overall user experience is sort of, let's say, an average level. It's not good, it's not so bad either, but it can certainly improve a lot. So in terms of recommending this mobile app, yeah, you can go ahead and use it, but you will face some sort of issues like the ones we have discussed here. Talking about Ventura Securities, well, this mobile app is also rated at 3.5. The number of ratings are huge, around 3,200 users. The negativity stands around closely to more than 20%, so it's a negative thing for sure, can be improved. They are also giving a huge focus. The last update was done on March 30th. So generally Ventura Securities updates its mobile app in a month or so. The app has seen the range of 1 to 5 lakh installs. So it is certainly a huge thing. As we were talking about TradeSmart Online, the number of the kind of visibility this particular mobile app has and the kind of expectations at the same time the clients have from this particular stockbrokers are also huge. But unfortunately, the mobile app is not working out for them. It hangs a lot. There are performance issues. Performance issues is a big no when you are trading on a mobile app, because that's the thing you need. You want speed, you want accuracy of data, you want real-time information from the stock market, and if you are not getting it, then you might lose it on the opportunities or kind of benefits you can make from that particular moment. So in case the mobile app hangs and has performance issues, it's a big no. We definitely do not recommend such mobile apps. See, screen sizes, user experiences, features can be improved, but well, user experience is the performance part is something that is number one priority every time. So it's a big advice from our end for you, especially for beginners and smaller investors, that if you're looking to trade through a mobile app, check the demo, get the user ID password from the stockbroker executive, do it, run it on your internet connection on your phone and see how it performs. If it performs decently well, then only go ahead with that particular stockbroker. Otherwise, you can say no. To other trading applications, they have Nest, which is obviously the NSE based application, and is maintained by Omnisys Technologies. It's not an in-house application from TradeSmart Online. Similarly, they've got Now, which is a web-based version. You can access it through a particular link, put in your user ID password, and you can start trading from them. So in essence, TradeSmart Online does not have their own terminal-based or web-based application. However, what they've done recently is that they have introduced something called Spin, which is one of its own kind of application that they have developed in-house. This is kind of an initiative that they've took, and certainly it's working for them. It's a better performance application. User experience is good. It gives you multiple features in terms of technical and fundamental analysis, in terms of heat maps, charting types, technical indicators, and there are multiple types of charts as well. And look at this number, 80 kinds of technical indicators with 10 different charting styles. So it's a huge sort of upgradation when it comes to different trading platforms from TradeSmart Online's house. When it comes to Ventura Securities, they got Ventura Pointer. It's been there for a while, so it's a mature application. You can trust it. So it's reliable in a sense, and it gives you different features. User experience is one aspect that can be improved, but on a feature point of view, this is exhaustive sort of an application. You can work on that particular aspect. So picking out one of these stockbrokers, well, both of these brokers are evolving in a sense when it comes to trading platforms. So it's difficult to pick one, but only because they have started with these initiatives of starting their own application and working out with their clients. So we will try to give some sort of an edge to TradeSmart Online just because of that particular advantage. So that's it as far as comparing these two stockbrokers is concerned. We looked at multiple aspects, start with the company backgrounds, pricing, brokerage, customer service, exposure, trading platforms, and some other features here. Now it's up to your preferences, your requirements, and based on that you can pick one of these two stockbrokers. Well, if you want a stockbroker that exactly matches with your requirements, especially if you're a beginner, you are not sure which particular stockbroker to go ahead with, you should we recommend this particular link here. Go ahead and check out this one, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your preferences there, put in your details, and we will set up 2 or 3 callbacks for you absolutely free. Talk to them, have a word, get the answers of your queries, and if you like, go ahead and open a Demat account with them. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye bye.